and welcome back to techystack channel. Today we'll try to learn one more new concept, so which is a single line if statement. So basically, generally what we have if statement, this is the one. So if I take if statement, for example, let me assign one variable here. I will take this as temp data, and I will value update this one. So if temp data equals to this, then I need to display the true. So as it is, it will display the true, and show else it will display the not true. So now we can try to avoid this entire the thing. So for that, I will take, I will say one more scenario here. So I will open this input file. So in this input file, I have this small bunch of data. For example, if I have some large big data, for that, if I use multiple ifs, for example, if I take, let me take if conditions again. So I have the if condition. I have one more if condition. So I have one more if condition. I need to keep this else conditions. So if I keep on doing, so it will take such a big sequence is available, and it's difficult to understand. So for that, I will show the scenario. First of all, I will take one read range Excel activity. So here I will take this workbook path, and here my okay, and I will assign one variable as it is. So this is as Excel data table. Okay. After that, I will take for each activity, for each row, for each row in data table, and I will update here Excel data table. So now I want to take the if condition. So here what I will do, I won't take the if condition. I will take assign activity. So I will drag this assign activity. After this, here I will update this value one. Let me take it as final value, final value. So in this final value, I want to check. So what type of data is available on this current row? So here, this is the one. So if it is 13, then I need to update some English. If it is 17, I need to update max. Like that, I need to update. So these and all I need to keep in the if condition. So here I open this. Before that, I will take one more variable for easy to understand. So here I will take control K, subject name, let it be, or else I will take temp. So under this temp, I will pass current row of 0 dot 2 string. Okay, this is done. So here what I will do, I will check here. If after that, what is my variable here? Temp equals to what I will do check. So I will check for 13. So if it is equals to 13, then I need to update the subject as English. Okay, again. So again I have this. So if it is in 13, then it's update for English. If m is equals to next what is there 15 is equals to 15, then it needs to update the value as English or Hindi. Okay, else. So I have one more if condition. If temp is equals to what is my next 17, then I need to update the value as science. I need to remove this bracket. Okay. After that, again, I have one more if. this value equals to 12, then update my subject as GK. Okay. So you can update all the values like this. So and I have one more value, 20. After this comma, if m value equals to 20, then update computer. Okay, if not values are not satisfied, then you need to make it as false. I mean, data not available. So before moving this, you can check all these conditions are updated perfectly or not. So I got some error this here. Maybe it's having some extra missing or something is missing. So I need to check that. I have here I have updated all the things. So only the thing with this closed brackets, which is not in the aligned of format. So rest of the things is same. So now let me click on this OK. So after this, I need to update everything in this Excel sheet now. So let me take one variable again. So in this variable, I will declare temp counter. Okay, here I will make it as 2. Let me change this variable to integer, and inside I will increment this counter. Okay, temp counter plus 1. So now again, I need to update this data. So for that, write cell workbook, take this activity, and path is this is the one my path, and here data, and I need to update the final value, and here my the cell is C and m counter dot to string. Here all the steps has been completed and I am running this bot. So okay, here execution has been completed and I'm going back to the Excel file. This is my input file. Okay, you see here all the data has been updated. Okay, so what we declare the same data, it's updated here. Let me go to the UI studio again, and you can see. So here what happened, you avoid the multiple if conditions here. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.